Hi there, my name is Sam from Versus.com and today we want to show you the new iPhone 12 Pro. We finally got a hand on this new Apple device. This is the actual phone, not a dummy. Let's find out what this phone is capable of. Let's start straight away with our review, and this time for real, let the facts speak. Design. It happened. Apple finally changed the design of the iPhone. It is the first major change since the iPhone 6 release. Sure, they made a couple changes here and there, like for example the camera changed from generation to generation or the back of the phone got a new upgrade. But that was mostly due to new technology that Apple added to the phones. Like for example improved camera systems or the wireless charging capability. But overall the design stayed mostly the same. But since Apple changed the design of the iPad Pro, the desire grew that they could do the same to the iPhone. And in 2020 they finally did it. We only talk about the smaller Pro version of the iPhone 12 Pro. Let's first unpack it. It looks pretty good. Ooh, the first fingerprints are on it. Okay, let's put it to the side first. Let's see what's inside the box. The usual cable, but there's no charger in it, and the usual packing, right? With the sticker and the booklets. But there's nothing else inside. All the buttons have like signs for it. And yeah, let's unwrap it. Okay, let's get the hard facts together. The iPhone 12 Pro has a glossy stainless steel frame, which only the Pro versions have, and a matte glass finish on the back. Typically for Apple, it has a very high-end look to it. The travel cameras are well positioned on the upper left corner on the back of the phone. The smartphone weighs 187 grams and it is roughly 14.67 cm long, 7.15 cm wide and 0.74 cm deep. It uses Apple's Lightning connector and it is IP68 rated, so it's water and dust resistant. And it is supposed to be 4 times more drop resistant than previous models. The iPhone uses face recognition technology to unlock the phone. The Face ID as usual works perfect at daylight and also good in a weak light environment. Display. The iPhone 12 Pro has a 6.1-inch display with a 1170p resolution. The 6.1-inch display therefore measures 15.5 cm diagonally with a pixel density of 460 ppi. The iPhone's OLED screen creates, as usual, very natural colors. And no, Apple did not update the iPhone 12 with the 120Hz refresh rate feature. It still uses 60Hz. Performance. The iPhone 12 Pro is equipped with Apple's latest A14 Bionic chip. The phone has 6GB RAM and the individual models offer different storage capacities. 128, 256 and 512GB are available. Storage capacity unfortunately cannot be expanded as it is typically for Apple iPhone devices. The whole iPhone 12 series comes with 5G capability. If you want to see the full performance test, click here. Camera. The iPhone 12 Pro has a triple rear camera system, an ultra-wide, a wide and a telephoto camera. All 3 cameras have a resolution of 12 megapixel. The front camera resolution is also 12 megapixel. The iPhone 12 Pro records 4K videos at a maximum of 60 frames. And of course, it has image stabilization for video. A new feature which was already introduced in the new iPad Pro models is a LiDAR scanner. The light detection and ranging is used to determine distance by measuring how long it takes light to reach an object and reflect back. That opens up tremendous possibilities for augmented reality and beyond. It definitely improved light mode portraits and made the autofocus way faster. Battery. The iPhone 12 Pro has a slightly smaller battery than its older siblings. At least Apple did not mention in their keynote that there's a bigger one built in. That is what they usually do. But the new A14 chip is supposed to reduce the power consumption of the whole phone. And it is true, we noticed that the battery lasts not as long as the older generation. We did our research, but we couldn't find the actual size of the battery yet. But some say it has somewhat around 2850 mAh. Naturally, we review more than these 5 categories covered here. If you want to see the full review, follow the link here to our website. You can compare up to 7 different smartphones at Versus.com. But before you do that, please post your comments and let us know what do you think. Do you like the new design of the iPhone or do you prefer the old design? And do you think it is worth buying the update? Be sure to let us know in the comments below. If you liked our video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Take care and see you soon.